Meaning of glowstick.
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 Glowstick. A glowstick is a portable light source that emits light through a chemical reaction. The most common type consists of a translucent plastic tube filled with a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and a phenyl oxalate ester. A small glass vial containing a fluorescent dye is also included. When the vial is broken and the chemicals mix, a chemical reaction occurs which produces light. Glowsticks are often used for entertainment purposes, such as at music concerts or parties, and also have practical uses such as emergency lighting, fishing, and camping.